Good day, Sir Rogan. Good day, everyone. My name is Princess Ana Rose de Delgado, and I am tasked to list the coordinates of the center, vertices, co-vertices, and the foci. Given the equation of the ellipse x squared over 121 plus y squared over 25 equals to 1, we can already tell that our principal or major axis is horizontal. That is because if you still remember our last lesson, Sir Rogan mentioned that in order to determine if our axis is horizontal or vertical, we have to look for the highest number. And in our situation here, 121 is at x. That's why the major axis is horizontal. Now, for the center, and we can safely say that the center is at origin because there is no h in k. Now, for the vertices, we have to solve for a. A squared equals to 121. Now, a squared equals to 121. We can't really have an exponent on our final answer, that's why we square them both sides. The square root of 121 is 11, that's why a equals to 11. Alright. From the center, count 11 units left and right. That's how we got the coordinates. The coordinates of the vertices, negative 11, 0, and 11, 0. Now for the B, that is co-vertices, right? For the B, pareho lang naman ang ginawa natin dito sa, kagaya dito sa A, kaya B equals to 5. Ngayon, from the center, count 5 units up and down. That's how we got the coordinates of the co-vertices, 0, negative 5, and 0, 5. Now, for the foci, we have this equation, c equals the square root of a squared minus b squared. Substitute, then subtract. The square root of 96 is 9.8, so c equals 9.8. Ngayon, from the center, count 9.8 units left and right. That's how we got the coordinates of the foci, negative 9.80 and 9.80. Ngayon, if you're wondering why I put the latus rectum here, it's because it feels like it's incomplete, and you can't really draw your graph more accurately if you didn't solve for the latus rectum. So, b squared over a, substitute, then solve for 25 over 11, that's 2.3. So the latus rectum is 2.3. From the foci, count 2.3 units up and down both sides. That's how we got the lateral recta, negative 9.8, 2.3, negative 9.8, negative 2.3, 9.8, negative 2.3, and 9.8, 2.3. And that is all. Thank you.